Hi again, everybody. It is Wednesday, October 5th, 2022. Here's the Astro Excel chart, the 30-minute version. We got that bullish move that we were looking for. Came right into late night, early morning Monday, late night Sunday. Market took off. Thought it might be flat early on Monday into Tuesday, but it just started to run. Looks like it petered out yesterday. We're kind of flatlining, slightly downtrending now. We still have bullish pressure all the way to the close today on Wednesday. And then we hit this sharp downward movement here. So we got a little negative pressure going from the blue line right here now until about noon today, and then both lines are going to sync up together to the upside at least till about 3 o'clock. So, as a general indication, we're still going to have more bullish pressure today, and then as we get to the evening session, we get into the downward pressure, which is going to take us through the rest of the week here. Flipping over to the Vedic chart, we've got a key timing window set up where we've got this overlap where I have this red rectangle marked, and oftentimes we'll get a significant high or low in this area. To fine tune this area, just the area of the overlap where all of those windows are in alignment is right there. You can see we've got the A1 panel, we've got the bright green and the white, which are the fine tuners like I've marked over here. These will often trigger these small swings, which are usually, very often tradable and turn into nice swings. Then we've got the green window on the A2 panel, the green wide window starting on the A3 panel, and the B1 window coming to a close here. So this area between about 11:30 and 12:20 could be key today. That also syncs up with the Astro Excel chart that I just showed you, where the upward trend on the green line is going to flip back over and then start heading down. So interesting setup, interesting correlation. These are two different astrological formulas that are completely non-correlated coming together at this same point today. So that's what we've got for today. We'll see you again tomorrow.